Hello guys, today I am going to talk about Gauss method, and Gauss method allows to find the inverse of A by means of following steps. First we transform the matrix of A to the identity matrix using the elementary operations, and then we apply these operations to the identity matrix to define the inverse of A. And here elementary operations means following transformations: multiplying elements of a row by non-zero element, adding the elements of a row to the corresponding elements of another row multiplied by non-zero element, interchanging any two rows of a matrix. That's it. Let's look at the exercise. Suppose that we have two matrices A and B. Let's find the inverse of these matrices. You know that to find the inverse of A, we apply the elementary operations to this matrix to obtain the identity matrix. And also we apply this procedure to the identity matrix, and the result will be the inverse of A. Then I will write this matrix with together identity matrix: 1, 2, 1, 4, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 2, 2. And 1, 2, sorry. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Here instead of second row, I will write second row plus 4 times third row. Then the result will be 1, 2, 1, 0, 8, 7, minus 1, 2, 2, and 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 4, and 0, 0, 1. And then here, instead of third row, we write third row plus first row. It will be 1, 2, 1, 0, 8, 7, 0, 4, 3, and 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 4, 1, 0, 1. And then here, instead of first line, we write first line minus 1 over 2, third one. It will be 1, 0, minus 1 over 2, 0, 8, 7, 0, 4, 3, and 1 over 2, 0, minus 1 over 2, 0, 1, 4, 1, 0, 1. Here, instead of third line, we write third line minus 1 over 2, second one. Then the result will be 1, 0, minus 1 over 2, 0, 8, 7, 0, 0, minus 1 over 2, and 1 over 2, 0, minus 1 over 2, 0, 1, 4, 1, minus 1 over 2, minus 1. As you know, all of the elements except from diagonal elements must be 0. Here, instead of first line, we write first line minus third line. One, 0, 0, 0, 8, 7, 0, 0, minus 1 over 2, and minus 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 0, 1, 4, and 1 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. Instead of L2, we write L2 plus 14 L3. And the result will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 8, 0, 0, 0 minus 1 over 2 and minus 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 14 minus 6 minus 10, 1 minus 1 over 2 and minus 1. As you see, we get this matrix with the diagonal elements of 1, 8, minus 1 over 2. And here, to get the identity matrix, we apply the following operations. Instead of L2, we write L2 times 1 over 8, and instead of L3 times minus 2. Then from here, it will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and minus 1 over 2, 1 over 2, and 1 over 2, 7 over 4, minus 3 over 4, minus 5 over 4, minus 2, 1 and 2. Then from here, this expression will be the inverse of A. The inverse of A. The inverse of A is minus 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 7 over 4, minus 3 over 4, minus 5 over 4, minus 2, 1 and 2. That's all. Okay, see you guys next lesson.